Hello from Her Haven. It is garden season and it's time to make sure you have all the right tools to work in the garden. First, we are shopping for his tools. This is a very unique tool and you can only find this in the Monk store. It is very handy. This is what it looks like and this is how you use it. You could use it to dig holes and bury your pole like this, or you could use it to dig holes to put in your plant. Now let's go look for my tools. Here are again very unique. You could only find in Monk stores. This is the special one that my mom bought it for me. When you look for this tool, make sure you look for the one that has the hook that look like finger. This is the best one that is very useful. Here's the other one. The hook connecting the metal to the wood part is much bigger. So here's one way I use this unique tool for. This is it for now. See you next time.